Animals in the safari park. Vocabulary. Introduction. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to a safari park. Would you like to join us?
Christine, what is a safari park?
Well, it's kind of like a zoo, but the animals are not in an enclosure.
What? You mean that they're free?
Don't worry. We will stay safely in the car.
Okay. What animals can we see?
Well, come with me and I'll show you.
All right, let's go.
But Monkey, you have to stay in the car, all right?
Of course, of course.
Presentation. Monkey, over there are giraffes.
Oh, giraffes are so tall.
Ooh, and there are snakes.
I'm not afraid of snakes.
And there are zebras.
Christine, can we ride zebras like horses?
Well, I'm not sure about that.
Oh.
Look, there are lions. Lions are very dangerous, but they're also very beautiful. Monkey? Monkey? I told him to stay in the car. Listen and say. Now listen and repeat after me. Look, what are they? Snakes. They are snakes. Look, what are they? Lions. They are lions. Good job. Look, what are they? Giraffes. They are giraffes. Look, what are they? Zebras. They are zebras. Good job. Game and test. Hello, I've lost my friend Monkey. Will you help me find him?
Sure, I have a map.
Perfect. Will you help us find Monkey? Let's check here first. What are they? Correct. They are zebras. Can you see Monkey? Then let's check here. What are they? Perfect. They are lions. Can you see Monkey? We have to find him. How about here? What are they? Yes, they are giraffes. Is Monkey here? Let's check the last animal. What are they? Correct. They are snakes.
Oh, I found him.
Oh, Monkey! Let's go get him. Structure. Presentation. Monkey, we found you.
Yes?
I told you, you have to stay in the car.
Sorry.
I have to count the animal for my school project. Can you help me?
Of course.
Yeah, me too.
Will you help me count the animals? How many snakes are there? That's right. There are 2 snakes. Now you say it.
There are 2 snakes.
Excellent job. How many giraffes are there?
3.
That's right. there are 3 giraffes. Now you say it. Excellent. There are 3 giraffes.
1, 2, 3.
How many zebras are there? There are 4 zebras.
There are 4 zebras.
Yes.
That's right. There are 4 zebras. Now you say it. Excellent. There are 4 zebras. How many lions are there?
There are 5 lions.
That's right. There are 5 lions. Now you say it. Great job. There are 5 lions. Game and test. We've counted the animals. Now it's your turn. Let's play a game. Can you tell me how many snakes are there? Great! There are 3 snakes. How many giraffes are there?
5.
Very good. There are 5 giraffes. How many zebras are there? Yes, there are 4 zebras. How many lions are there? No, monkey. There are 6 lions. Great job. Summary. Snakes. Zebras. Lions. Giraffes. See you next time on POPSKids TV.
See you.